Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through a Boston Whaler 25 Outrage that is in stock here in Huntington. Come on aboard. Starting here off the back, I want to point out the V6 225s from Mercury in white. A couple other nice features on the 250 Outrage is that we have a freshwater shower off the transom, 3 rod holders, a fold-out transom seat. So when you're fishing, it will fold in just like this. We have 2 in-deck floor fish boxes, tackle storage. Moving here to the leaning post, we have a live well. Also, can't forget to point out the easy access to your bilge compartment. Moving forward, we have 2 helm chairs, fold down bolsters with armrests. Makes it really comfortable when you're riding on the boat. We have Lenco trim tabs, JL audio sound system, 12-inch Simrad, your gauges, great overhead storage box along with the glove box here at the helm. And we have a spotlight on this boat. I want to point out right here, both port and starboard side, you have nice area to keep some rods or a deck brush. We have fresh and raw water washdown hose connections right here. Both port and starboard side on this boat has the fold-out trolling seats. Very comfortable seat to watch the spread while you're trolling. Moving up to the bow. Right now we have the canvas on our beautiful new sea gray upholstery from Boston Whaler. Also makes for a very comfortable seat and a cooler. We have an additional in the deck forward fish box, a bow table. We have the 2 rod holders for your bow shade, a windlass, and then moving to this side, flip this door open, get a peek in there. That's a vacuum flush head, access to your batteries, keys, and the bow table. Give us a call, 631-956-4865. My name is James Duncan. Thank you.